Welcome to our video on earning passive income and achieving financial freedom. In this video, we'll explore renowned author Robert Kiyosaki's latest views and his top 6 recommendations for cash-flowing investments in 2023. So, let's get started. Passive income number 1. Real estate, a tangible and steady income stream. Real estate is one of the best assets for earning passive income according to renowned author Robert Kiyosaki. It offers a tangible asset that can provide a steady income stream and help build wealth over time. Kiyosaki recommends investing in rental properties, commercial real estate, and real estate investment trusts, or EITs, in high-growth areas. What you need to do to start? Number 1. Learn about the real estate market, property types, financing, and regulations. Number 2. Define your objectives and determine the type of real estate investment that aligns with them. Number 3. Connect with professionals in the industry for advice and potential opportunities. Number 4. Thoroughly research properties, market conditions, and financials before investing. Passive income number 2. Dividend stock, a steady revenue stream. Dividend stocks are another great asset for generating cash flow. By investing in stocks that offer regular dividend payments, investors can receive a portion of the company's profits without having to sell their shares. Kiyosaki suggests investing in high-quality companies with consistent dividends. What you need to do to start? Number 1. Identify companies with a history of consistent dividend payments. Number 2. Evaluate dividend payout ratios and the company's ability to sustain and increase dividends. Number 3. Spread investments across sectors to minimize risk. Number 4. Regularly review your portfolio, track dividend announcements, and adjust as needed. Passive income number 3. Building a business. Starting a scalable business can be a great source of passive income. By creating products such as ebooks, online courses, or other digital goods that can be sold repeatedly, entrepreneurs can generate continuous revenue without constant involvement. Alternatively, investing in other people's businesses as a passive investor can also provide a source of income without active participation. What you need to do to start? Number 1. Find a market with high demand and growth potential. Number 2. Create a comprehensive plan outlining your business model and strategies. Number 3. Assemble a talented team that shares your vision. Number 4. Use tools and systems to streamline operations and increase efficiency. Passive income number 4. Intellectual property. Monetizing valuable ideas and creations. Intellectual property, IP, refers to intangible creations of the mind, such as patents, trademarks, copyrights, and trade secrets. By protecting and owning valuable ideas, inventions, or creative works, individuals can create a significant source of passive income. This can be done through licensing or selling IP to others, allowing for royalties and continuous revenue. What you need to do to start? Number 1. Recognize valuable ideas, creations, or intellectual property you possess. Number 2. File patents, trademarks, or copyrights to safeguard your ideas. Number 3. Evaluate how your intellectual property can be monetized. Number 4. Develop a plan to commercialize and profit from your intellectual property. Passive income number 5. Connecting borrowers and investors. Peer-to-peer lending is an alternative investment strategy that allows investors to lend money directly to individuals or small businesses through online platforms. By participating in P2P lending, investors can earn passive income through interest payments on the loans they provide. What you need to do to start? Step 1. Select a reputable peer-to-peer lending platform that aligns with your investment goals. Step 2. Evaluate borrower profiles, creditworthiness, and risk factors. Step 3. Spread your investments across multiple borrowers to mitigate risk. Step 4. Regularly monitor loan performance and reinvest returns to maximize earning potential. Passive income number 6. Royalties from creative works. If you have creative talents such as writing, music composition, or artistic skills, you can earn passive income through royalties. Publishing books, releasing music, or selling artwork allows you to generate income from your creative works over an extended period. Robert Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of protecting your creative works through copyright and licensing agreements. By leveraging your intellectual property and negotiating favorable royalty agreements, you can create a consistent source of passive income. 4 steps to start. Step 1. Produce high-quality and original creative content, such as music, books, or artwork. Step 2. Copyright your works. Protect your creations by registering copyrights. Step 3. Licensing and distribution. Explore opportunities to license your works for commercial use or distribute them through various channels. Step 4. Monitor and collect royalties. Track usage and ensure proper royalty collection from licensed sources. Want to see an hidden and high profitable passive income? You can start right now. Look no further than our groundbreaking 198,193 in 6 months case study. This comprehensive study showcases the most lucrative investing assets that have consistently generated impressive returns, allowing individuals to build wealth effortlessly. Discover the strategies, tips, and insights from successful investors who have leveraged these assets to achieve financial freedom. Don't miss out on this opportunity to learn from the best. Unlock the 198,193 in 6 months case study and start your journey towards passive income success today.